Hooray! This is Rina and welcome back to our channel. So for today, I will show you how to turn this old cardboard box into a fabulous playhouse. So let's get started. Put tape on the bottom end of the used cardboard box. This will serve as the foot of your playhouse. Then I measure the top part of the box for its roof. Cut the measured dimension on the extra set of curtain boxes. Connect the cutlet pieces on top of the box and secure it using duct tape. Then remove the excess edges. Mark and cut the side of the box for the door and windows. To add more durability on your playhouse, put tape on each corner of the cardboard box. We use the curtain rod end as the doorknob. Then we secure the door using duct tape. Added some cardboard pieces as the door stopper and the door lock. Ta-da! The playhouse is almost done. Please stay tuned for the next step. It's time to paint. You can engage your children in this kind of recycling project. You will help them learn that instead of throwing away this used cardboard box, you can make a good use of it. Like in this case, turning it into a beautiful playhouse or many other things. Way to go, guys! We're almost done. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. You can also let us know what you think by just commenting down below. Thank you. thank you so much guys for making this far, cause I really have so much fun making this cardboard playhouse project. It actually releases the artistic part of me. And I am so happy knowing that I am helping the environment by reducing waste. So this project is totally worth it. Yay! I did it! Thank you so much for watching.